we really focus on the person as a whole. 75% of our treatment is essentially lifestyle optimization, 20% hormone optimization, the last 5% is supplements, prescription meds where we can't cover that. People who do have this hormone optimization typically just have more life or vigor. They've kind of taken the park and brake off.
I am doing hormone optimization, functional medicine, and advanced cardiometabolic evaluation.
Much of my background's been in women's health as a family nurse practitioner.
My role here is the RN health coach and also the aesthetics nurse. A big part of what I do here is women's hormone optimization.
We have over 35 years of experience as a nurse practitioner unit. We want to provide an entire picture of the person. We get body composition scans, combining that with advanced lab testing and providing hormone optimization to fill those gaps. And then we have discussions where we can talk about pain management. We have the aesthetic side of the clinic to provide overall aesthetic procedures, to just trying to take care of the person as a whole. With the normal telemedicine service, you may just click boxes and be sent meds, whereas we are involved and we text with our patients. If you have side effects, we want to know. If you have questions over anything, we're accessible. I also recognized that I was missing a crucial component of women's health, which was hormone optimization.
It is very important that women have a safe place, a confident place to come to and be able to get that addressed.
We talk about testosterone, progesterone, estrogen, thyroid, all the things that make a woman who she is as we age. Hormones fall off. Women just don't feel as well as they used to.
Definitely come see us if you have any questions. We want to be that support for you guys.